Masimirembwa caught pants down, the 11th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, ZANU-PF Harare Provincial Chairman, Goodwill's Masimirembwa, has been left humiliated after allegedly attempting to block the arrest of two senior party officials in a high-profile fraud scandal. The case, which has already seen arrests, once again exposes the deep rot of corruption within Zimbabwe's ruling elite. Provincial member Spencer Mabheka and Lillian Chitanga, the Zone 3 DCC Women's League secretary, were nabbed by the CID Police Anti-Corruption Unit, PACU, on fraud charges after allegedly selling 3 residential stands worth $70,000 each. The two spent the night in police cells at Maybrain Police Station. The drama intensified when Masimirembwa allegedly tried to intimidate the officer in charge handling the matter. His efforts backfired after it emerged that one of the victims was a senior army officer. Police have not yet issued an official statement. This latest scandal adds to the long list of corruption sagas tied to ZANU-PF. From the infamous Willowgate scandal of the 1980s to the Marange diamond looting that saw billions disappear, ruling party elites have repeatedly evaded accountability. Masimirembwa himself is no stranger to controversy. As former chair of the Zimbabwe Mining Development Corporation, he once faced allegations of soliciting bribes from diamond investors, yet was later rewarded with senior posts in the party. Analysts warn the arrests of Mabheka and Chitanga may not mark a genuine anti-corruption drive, but rather reflect intensifying factional battles inside ZANU-PF, where cases are pursued selectively to settle internal scores. For ordinary Zimbabweans, however, the scandal is yet another painful reminder that corruption is entrenched in the ruling party, and justice is only served when powerful interests collide.